What's up, guys? Today I will be showing you how to make a paper airplane. It's pretty easy. So first, you'll fold the right corner right here, like that, just like that. Second, you'll fold the left corner so that it can be even. Right here, right here. See? Perfectly even. Perfect. Third, refold the left corner. No, or the right corner, whichever one you want to do. Refold it. Refold it. Make sure it's even, just like this. Now, do the right corner. It should be even. It should not be any less than even. So, here we go. After you fold the right corner, then you put them together. Fold them exactly together, just like this. Nice, good, soft, just like this. Perfect. Then, refold this back. Refold the left side back again. So just fold it back, just like this. Just fold it back just like that. And then, you just do the exact same thing to the right corner. Nothing big. The exact same thing, just like that. Right there. Easy. You can do it with any piece of paper, colored paper, anything. Then all you gotta do is just fold this up. I like to have mine a little bit more wings, you know. So just fold this up like this. Both sides back up. So just fold it, make it look like that. And then voila, you have a paper airplane right here. It's very easy, shouldn't take you more than 3 minutes. All right, guys, see you next time.